Hello, welcome to my next video lecture of this series of EMTL lectures videos. So in this lecture video I am going to discuss a small generalized topic which is related to this subject, okay, electromagnetics, okay, specific absorption rate, SAR, okay. So most of you people knowing, those who are having those who are having mobile phones, okay. Especially this video is belonging to all the people who are using mobile phones and the electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic field gadgets, okay. So in our day-to-day life we are surrounded with lot of electronic devices that is which are working on the electromagnetic fields, okay. So we can take a best example of the mobile, okay. So how this mobile is going to get signal. So generally we will call signal. That signal here is nothing but an electromagnetic wave. So this electromagnetic wave is originated from a cell tower base station, okay, and we are going to get the signal, okay. Similarly the mobile is going to generate one signal and it is giving back to the base station, that is cell tower, okay. So that is how the communication between the mobile communication is going to happen, okay. Similarly we are having lot of communications like that, okay. You can take dish, that is we are going to have dish applications, we are going to get channels, and similarly we are having diagnosis, medical diagnosis. All are these all are working on the principle of electromagnetic fields, okay. Now so as we know that we are having three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, and so on. Many pollutions are, okay. So I mean pollution board has given given count, that is radiation pollution as the next category of the pollution. Why? Because due to the increase of more number of cell towers day by day, all the our surroundings are being we are surrounded with a lot of electromagnetic fields in our day-to-day life. So you can take an example of mobile towers only, okay. So you are going to find lot of mobile towers in our cities, okay. You can see on the top of our buildings, at the top of our hotels, and many places, okay, where the radiation is very high, okay. So I will discuss this. I am going to discuss the hazardous effect of these electromagnetic waves in this lecture, short video lecture. So in this if this specific absorption rate, the exposure of the electromagnetic waves, our body is going to how much our body is going to absorb if the electromagnetic waves are exposed on our body, okay. So if these electromagnetic waves are exposed on our body, they are going to absorb radiation. So to how much extent it is going to, our body is going to absorb. So we are having a formula, that is SAR, that is a basic formula here. SAR is equal to sigma E square by md, where sigma is the conductivity, E is the electric field, and m is the mass density. So generally these hazardous effects are lot, we are having day by day increase the effect of electromagnetic waves are increasing day by day. Why? Because the effect of radiation is seen in many ways. Suppose we can take the next 5G generation, 5G effect, okay. So where the electromagnetic waves are, we are having the lot of exposure of the electromagnetic waves. Due to that, the human bodies are living things are more in danger due to the exposure of this electromagnetic waves. So not only the human being, you can take the plants, animals, so all those are affected by the exposure of electromagnetic waves, okay. Now you can imagine how much dangerous are these electromagnetic waves, okay. So we should be very careful while selecting your mobile phones. So the mobile phones which are having low SAR value, we have to take that mobile phone. Specifically I mean generally if you type star hash 07 hash, so if you type in your mobile star hash 07 hash, it will give the that is it will give the SAR value of the head and body. Okay, so SAR, specific absorption rate, will be different for the head as well as for body. Okay, so that is SAR value will should be, I think it must be less than 1.4 generally. So I mean generally the phones which are made of low quality material, they will absorb more radiation and they will expose more radiation to the human body. So what happens, so most of us know that radiation effect is harmful to our body. So in how much, I mean how it is going to harm our body, we don't know. Okay, so suppose if I take a water in a bowl, if I heat that water, what happens, the water molecule are going to evaporate. First they will heat. After heating, what happens, the water molecule will, I mean they are going to have friction. So you know that heat is going to develop due to the friction. So the water molecules are going to vibrate. So due to the vibration, the heat is going to develop. The similar effect is we are going to have in our body. So we know that our human body is consisting of the 70 to 80% of the water. Okay, so if we are going to expose our body with the electromagnetic waves, the water, that is the blood, is going to, what we are going to have, I mean it is going to vibrate. Due to the vibration, we are going to have the heat effect is sensed. Most of you, if you have sensed the heat, that is continuous talking, use of mobile phones, you can see the that is there is a warm or heat effect is seen over that area. So you should be, most of them, so even me to have realized that the effect of radiation, if you are continuously using our mobile phone 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so and also if you are going to have the internet also, so most suppose in order to overcome these hazardous effects, or in order to overcome these hazardous effects of radiation or pollution, we should take some precautions. So these precautions are mandatory in order to save our life. Okay, suppose the people who are living very near to the mobile, that is mobile towers or radio stations, their life is in danger. Why? Because the effect of frequency is very high. So you might be knowing that the radiation will be in terms of this balloons like structure, that is, this is called the radiation pattern of the electromagnetic wave. So this radiation pattern, the electromagnetic waves which are starting from this antenna, suppose if you are having antenna, so this maximum energy or radiation energy is stored in that lobe. So if the people are coming in this radiation lobe, those people are having maximum effect on their bodies. So we have to take care such that, I mean we should avoid staying near to the base stations, that is cell towers. So the people who are very near, that is less than 50 meters, they are having very hazardous effect on their bodies or human health. So it is going to cause the cancer also. Okay, so most of the scientists has declared, so the radiation is going to show that is, it is the cause for the many diseases. Okay, like brain damaging or brain cancers, brain tumors and so on. Okay, so in order to avoid that one, we need to take certain precautions. Okay, so what are the precautions? We need to be that is, we need to be as far as the mobile towers. So most of them feeling that, so we are not going to get that is the perfect signal, the signal is very low. So the problem here is, if the people are not in this radiation area, so they won't get the clear signal. That is the main reason most of the people will be complaining, giving complaint to the customer cares, that if they are not getting proper signal, means they will be, if they are not coming under this radiation pattern area, so they won't get the clear signal. That is the main reason why the mobile signal is, lessened, lowered. So now I will give some I will be discussing some safety measures, how we can avoid this radiation exposure on our body. So we have to use our mobile phone, that is, if we are using continuously, please try to use left here rather than right, okay. And next we have to use wireless sets, or we have to use headphones or wireless headphones in order to avoid the maximum radiation. Why? Because the radiation effect will be less if we are having, that is, if we are having direct contact with the mobile phone, we are having lot of exposure than if we are using headphones or wireless headsets. If you are keeping your mobile away, with your body, then we can avoid the radiation effect to the maximum extent, okay. That is the thing we can do in order to avoid the harmful effect of radiation on our body. So similarly, if we are suppose we are having some restricted areas in hospitals, you can see radiation effect in this area is more, children are not permitted in that area. So you can see the diagnosis. So diagnosis is also carried on radiation, on this principle of radiation only, okay. So radiation effect is seen in, that is, scanning, with PET scan and so on, okay. So the little, that is the children below less than 5 years are having lot of radiation effect on their bodies. Why? Because I can tell you the simple reason here. Why? Because their body parts are not fully matured, developed, okay. So the radiation effects is having lot of effects on small children rather than adults, okay. So it doesn't mean that we can use mobile phones to the long hours, okay. We have to restrict the usage of mobiles radiation, okay. So we have to avoid that, okay. And while sleeping also, we have to keep the mobile phone as at a one hand distance, so as much as possible, because we will be having less effect while sleeping, okay. So we have to avoid that one, okay. Next, we are having lot of similarly the children less than 5 years, we are having lot of effects we have seen. Next, so those are the simple things we need to keep in our brain while using that is electronic gadgets which are working on the principle of electromagnetic waves, okay. Similarly, if you go outside, we are having lot of towers, so we should avoid taking the rented homes basically which are very near, or if we are having mobile towers on the top of their houses, we have to avoid staying at those places, so we can save our life, okay. So that is how we can overcome the threat of the electromagnetic waves on the human bodies. So generally we can see nowadays, due to this 5G radiation, most of the birds are endangered, most of the birds are extincting, so most of the birds are not seen nowadays, okay. So that is the main reason, that is the radiation is the main reason why the birds, slowly human beings are also having lot of effect of radiation on our bodies, okay. So we can avoid this radiation effect as much as possible if you take care these precautions, okay. We have to, so some areas you can see, most of, suppose if there is a direct exposure of this radiation beam, then we are having the lot of that is, there is a I mean more effect of radiation on our bodies. Okay, so we I mean we don't know in which part of this main area we are laying or we are staying. Okay, so that is we can do only one thing, that we can stay away from the mobile towers, and it is safe to be we have to stay above 300 meters. 300 meters we can avoid the radiation effect to some extent. Okay, so nowadays, because so most of you might be thinking that sir, there is due to radiation we are having that is we are going to use as a radiotherapy also. Why we are again you are telling that it is the cause of cancer. So there is a two way. So we are going to have technology in two ways, that is a coin is having two faces. Radiation effect we can use in order to use in the technology in order to communicate, and also in medicine as a radiotherapy in order to cure some diseases. So most of you might be confusing, what is this? The same radiation is going to show, I mean is causing the cancer, and it is also treating the cancer. So there is a ambiguity. So I will give a small clarification on this one. Suppose, I mean here the mobile towers which we are having, the mobile towers at our like these towers, so they will be having radiation. So this radiation is uncontrolled radiation. So that's why this uncontrolled radiation is going to have effect on the human bodies a lot. So whereas you can see in medicine, I mean medical, that is as a radiotherapy or radiotherapy treatment, there the radiation is controlled radiation. Hope you understood between the difference between the controlled and uncontrolled radiation. So you are having now clear picture that controlled radiation we can use in order to save our life, in order to diagnose, in order to treat the cancers, some cancers, so which are used by our doctors, okay, scientists. Okay, next, uncontrolled radiation which we can see everywhere. If you go outside, the mobile signal, the radio signal, the TV signal, the satellite signal, all these are coming under the category of uncontrolled signal. So we can avoid, we can't avoid this uncontrolled radiation, but we can take some simple measures to avoid the harmful effect of the uncontrolled radiation. So we have to take care of ourselves. So I think, hope you are going to follow these simple precautions in order to avoid the harmful or hazardous effect of this radiation. Okay, so in the next video lecture we will see most of the topics related to this electromagnetic waves. So till then, take care, bye.